What are we doing on the elevator? Huh? You're gonna take Sam for a walk?
Go.
Let's go. Here we go.
Let's go for a walk. We'll go this way, Connor. What's that?
Here we go.
The dog.
Say come. Say come, Sam. Come, Sam.
What? Dog. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sam.
Come, Sam. Tell the dog come.
Come on, Sam. Sam, come.
Say come.
Come, Sam. Let's go.
They'll come. Say come, Sam. Come.
You want the leash shorter?
Yeah.
Hold on 1 second. I know. I need it 1 second. 1 second.